Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dabney Weathers. My partner back there is Marjorie Lewis, and this is Get Nature.
And I came here to make a dance tonight. I don't care if I'm a guilty pleasure for you. And I don't even know what kind of fool you're taking me for. So you got some brand new clothes you never could afford before. Oh, brother, spare us all. We don't care anymore. We just want to get down on the floor. You sell yourself to make it. You can dish it, but can you really take it? You're never gonna get it with nothing, 'cause nothing's what you got in your head. So stop pretending. I came here to make you dance tonight.
I'm gonna hand it over to you now, Marjorie, and you can tell the folks what we're doing out here.
Thank you, Dabney. Now today I'm going to show you something that's very near and dear to me heart. It's called the Cincinnatian tundra. Now I know what you're thinking. Tundra? Where's the snow? But Cincinnati's tundra is actually more like an oasis. It's nice and warm and you can actually get a suntan.
Abby,
That's what I'm planning on doing.
you're not using your accent anymore. We gotta cut.
So I know what you're thinking. A tundra in Cincinnati? Bloody hell. But follow me, and I'll show you just how this certain thing gets done. Now, one of the most important things that you have to remember when you're in the tundra is to get a walking stick. You gotta be able to hold your ground on this rough terrain. So a stick like this, long, slender, but sturdy, will be perfect for me. So I'm just gonna break it off, and then we'll continue on down through the tundra. And it'll help me gain my balance when there's slippery rocks or obstacles like that. I'll get in a minute, Marjorie. To get it in one fell swoop, here we are. We have stumbled upon the rarest form on this Cincinnatian tundra, and it's called the Trans-Siberian Loop. And as you can see, it echoes extremely loudly. You be quiet back there. Now, this loop was formed by a raging river. It is not man-made. This is made purely from God's good earth forces. It's magnificent because it's a spectacular, perfect circle. We don't really know how it formed like that, but we're just going to try and find out. So, you follow me. It's perfectly safe. Marjorie, get out! Marjorie, get out!
Now right here at the top of this tree, there's fruits that are rich in vitamin C. Once ingested, you will become very disorientated. This here is an example of one person that has eaten this fruit. How did that get in there? Anywho, let's climb.
Nice little climb. Alright, Marjorie, I think we're going to head up north here so we can see more of this beautiful Cincinnatian tundra. What do you think?
Yeah, man. I think that's a great idea.
Abby, are you serious?
What?
We're going to have to cut that.
What do you mean?
Your accent is awful.
No, it's this new thing I'm trying out. I think I work with the kids. It's like a mix of like downtown suburbs with like uptown newsies, you know.
Stop.
You got it.
No, that's
it's
not
what the British people are doing. It's like the London Underground.
No, but that's not what we're trying to do. We're trying to be explorers here, and we're trying to be like Steve Irwin-esque, like.
Yeah, but Steve Irwin that the kids will like. Steve died. Like, somebody has to fill his place. It's upbeat and like, what the fuck is that? Oh my!
Oh my God! Turn it off!
it up.
And what do we have here but the Trans-Siberian polar bear? Much home to the Trans-Siberian loot. Let's take a look. Here, let's...
Well, that does it here for all of us at Get Nature. We just had a great experience in the Cincinnati tundra, and thankfully we all made it out alive.
Get Nature.